Hello artists and welcome to Mr. Melvin Makes. Try a creative drawing game with me. To play, all we need is a sheet of paper, a marker, and a single die to randomly generate some numbers. We are going to draw 4 connected, looped lines. We can do this randomly on a page like this, or we can do it along each side of the paper like that. We will roll dice to randomly decide how many loops each line will have. Lastly, we finish by using our imagination to create a unique drawing from the scribbly mess we have made. I do hope you try this creative drawing game and make an original work of art. Yours may be a doodle or a masterpiece. But either way, happy making, artists. Enjoy.